Yo, what is going on, YouTube? It's game day. I had to break out the game day jersey. Honestly, don't really give a shit about football, but yes, I'm gonna go watch the first round of the playoffs or the wild card, whatever game it is right now. Anyways, I wanted to sit down and film this quick little rant video for you guys to give my thoughts on the TikTok ban. So I want to preface this video by saying that I personally don't think anything is going to happen. It sounds like a disclaimer as I'm saying it. I personally don't think anything is going to happen with TikTok. I think it's here to stay, but I also want to say it absolutely, what I think doesn't matter at all. Like it's going to have absolutely zero impact on what happens. Like the fate of TikTok, it does not matter what I think or really what anybody else thinks at all. People are going to hear what they want, right? They want people to be on whatever side. If they're on the side that I'm sure most of you guys are on, where we obviously want TikTok because we make a large percentage of our income from things that are related to TikTok. And then there's the other side where, they all want to hear, oh, it's going away. It's a huge security threat. It's, all this. But that's more the can't wait till all these TikTokers have to get a real job, right? That's believe it or not, there's a lot of people in that crowd. It's going to be tough to help those people. One of those things where what we think, we can't do anything about it. We can't vote on it. We have no say in it. What are we going to go stand up in front of the Supreme Court and am I going to go stand there and go deliver a speech and say how there's nothing we can do. And I literally think the only thing that makes sense is to operate under the framework of you just have to be delusionally optimistic here. What can you do about it? There's new updates coming out every single day. So what I say today, there might be another emergency filing tomorrow or some random law that, if they have where they get 10 more days or there's always going to be something. But at the end of the day, we can't do anything about it. So I haven't changed a thing. I think that's the only, what are you going to do? Just stop making TikToks for the next week until they give you another update or not try. I don't know. I guess I get it. So, but even if you're a brand, it doesn't cost you really anything to get on TikTok. So are you going to wait till February and burn a whole month? What is the other option? Right. Everyone is, looking for the game plan if TikTok is banned, but you already know the game plan. Everybody already knows. You're just going to post on other platforms. You're going to wait to see what happens. This is the definition of a read and react scenario because that's all we can do. It's literally our only option. We're just going to start posting on other platforms. I'm sure a shop platform is going to pop up on through Meta or through Amazon or through YouTube. Because the one thing out of all of this that we do know is that social commerce, shopping online through videos, through live streams, that is absolutely not going away. It's just going to go, it will 100% go to another platform. I can't even imagine a world where something like TikTok doesn't exist. Maybe Meta does it. Maybe Zuck cooks up a new algo that's even better than TikTok. Who knows what they're cooking up with all the AI in the world today. So something is going to come from it. So in the meantime, you just have to keep getting better at making videos, keep immersing yourself in this world of social commerce, and just take it to the next platform. Because, hey, if TikTok is completely gone and it moves over to Instagram and there's a new shop feature that rolls out, it is going to be a fresh sheet of ice, just ready to take over, right? So maybe this will be my thumbnail. It's going to be a wide open breakaway. We're talking splitting the D, center ice, just red line in breakaway. Wide open net. So yeah, let's see. I got to get a TikTok jersey. Worst case scenario, which I don't even think is possible in the next 6 months, of TikTok is just wiped off of everything, just wiped off the face of the earth. You cannot access it through the US, right? You're still going to be able to access it, by the way, even if it is banned, at least as I'm filming this video. Again, that could change tomorrow. So there's nothing I can do about it. But if it's available in the UK, you could just start running UK TikTok, do what all the other people who are accessing the US markets outside of the US, you just start doing that. You're going to be wasting time either way. I'm either going to waste time right now by just assuming TikTok is going to be here to stay and nothing is going to change. What am I going to go and set up a warehouse in the UK, tell brands to start shipping products there, get a a bank account set up in the UK. Then like in a week, if nothing happens, like that's a big waste of time. Like wasting all this time trying to set up in a new market where you don't need it. So like, I don't know. That's kind of just my thought process. It's just a shitty situation that everybody has to deal with right now. But like, why would you stop posting? Why would you not start posting? Why would you like delay anything related to TikTok? It's very easy to just bounce from headline to headline to headline. Like every day there's a new update coming out. But that's just a waste of time. Like it's you like can't even think about it because it's again something that you have zero control over. It seems like the most probable outcome here is that it's just going to be like pushed back until Trump is in office. Then they're probably going to start renegotiating, push it back again, whether it's like 6 months, a year, or because Trump is clearly for it. Back in 2020, you know, the first time they tried to ban TikTok, I can assure you it also like felt real then. It's, you know, it's now it's different this time, right? But I can assure you it felt different when Trump was on like every single day on a press conference saying that he wanted to ban TikTok. Like it definitely felt real then. So it's, you know, it's just this stuff that just goes back and forth that we can't do anything about. So we just have to business as usual. Read and react, think on the fly. Like for now, everybody knows, like I see the same videos on TikTok and YouTube all over. Like it's just the same people saying the same thing. Nobody knows yet. Nothing has happened. But hey, let me know what you guys think. Like the video for me. Go Bucks.